What's going on, guys? This is Josh with Biggs Harley Davidson right here in San Marcos, California. Today's bike of the year is a 2006 Deluxe. It does have some aspects of a Fat Boy as well. This is going to be an 88 cubic inch. It's been bored out to a 95. Screaming Eagle cam plate. Check out this logo. You have 16-inch FXR division bar, G-bars is what they're called. I don't know if you're familiar with getting hard bags on a Softail frame, but it's hard to do and amazing when done right. This model has 99,000 on the odometer, but a certified technician put in a new motor with the tranny that has 12,000 miles on it. Any further questions, please let us know. This thing is an absolute glide. We'll see you here.